I just received the parcel from China and I ordered some cute plushies. The very popular milk tea plushies. So here it is. It just arrived now. I think after around 2 months, I think. So I just wanna unbox this one. And let's all see together how it looks. Or how they look. Because I ordered 2 plushies from them. I hope they look nice. I think it's called boba plushie. The milk tea plushies that is just popular these days. Oh yeah, we got 2. We ordered 2 plushies. 1 milkshake and 1 milk tea. So here is the milkshake. It looks like the same as advertised. It looks like the same as photographed. So I got them from eBay, from a Chinese store in ebay.com.au. So they really came direct from China. And I think they look really cute and they definitely look like as photoed in the eBay picture. So this is the milkshake, strawberry milkshake. And I think this is the 28 centimeters plushie. And then let's also check out the other one, the milk tea plushie. So here's the milk tea. This one is the 32 centimeters, so it's bigger than the milkshake. And it's also so cute. It also looks like as photoed in the eBay website. So this is the milk tea and this is 32 centimeters. So this is how it looks like. So cute and so soft. Oh, so cute. So 32 centimeters milk tea plushie. And this one is the 28, the strawberry milkshake plushie, 28 centimeters. I hope I'm giving you the correct measurement. So yeah, I got them from eBay, and I will just put the link on the description box below, the exact link where I got these plushies. So I'm in Australia and I got this from ebay.com.au, but the shop is from China. I'll just put the link below. And that's it. Thank you for watching.